Thank you for visiting my visual tour today. If you have questions or would like to schedule an appointment to personally tour property on Lake Wedowee, call Terry Norton at 404-317-5120. We work hard for our clients. This is a great opportunity for an RV park or for multiple families to own lakefront property on Lake Wedowee that is unrestricted. This acreage consists of 8.7 acres with 310 feet of seasonal waterfront with county water available and is located on a paved county road close to an power company boat ramp with water access all year. Not many small tracts left around the lake at this price. Directions from Wedowee: travel Highway 48 West, turn right onto Company Road 129, travel past Company Road 240. Acreage will be on the left. Look for sign.